At least we know we're in the right place. Hold on to something!
Oh, dear.
What a wonderful surprise! I didn't expect to see you here. Considering my goons were meant to annihilate you 8 minutes ago.
Oh, what do you want, Nefarious?
This! If only that blasted Dimensionator still worked.
Clank.
Huh?
I don't either. It appears to be a space between dimensions. Could be nothing. Could be a cascading entropic fissure that will soon turn the entire universe into a formless soup. Time will tell.
Oh. Oh, dear. Well, I am Clank. Please allow me to help.
Right, yes, Clank. I am the all-seeing cosmic prophet of interdimensional sector 2255 phase Omega.
Basti? Mon Dieu. Your friend has a saucy tongue. My name is Pierre Lafer. Pirate extraordinaire.
I'll fight you for it.
Xerxes is a violence-free zone. Take it outside.
I know this is gonna sound totally weird, but the Morts used to tell me legends about someone on Tauren 4 called the Fixer. If it's broke, the Fixer'll fix it.
New tourists? Oh, welcome to the jewel of our galaxy. Please, enjoy yourselves. Did you know Malanath means paradise in Junkish?
Is the Fixer on this planet?
He most definitely is. Great guy, the best, and single, if either of you are interested.
We were told that he can fix phase quartz.
Well, I mean, come on.
You got nothing.
Yeah, I got nothing. Oh, sorry. Rivet, this is...
Kit, I have been looking forward to meeting you.
No, it's me. It be me, Quantum. See? No.
Please, we can win this together! What do you know about winning?
My people. I did it. At long last. The pirates are vanquished. The resistance is broken. And this galaxy is finally mine!